Hello everyone, welcome to KK How channel. We are going to start 2026 with a kitty bouquet tutorial. This bouquet is a great idea for a birthday gift, Hello Kitty lovers, and even for this coming up Valentine's Day. Let's get started. Here are the tools and supplies that I use for this bouquet. I use bamboo skewer instead of floral wires because I need the stems to be strong for the arrangement. Hot glue and floral tape are definitely a must. For pipe cleaners, I would recommend a thick and high quality one to make sure that we have the best look. I cut the pipe cleaners into half and use 3 pieces to make a petal. Each flower has 5 petals, so I use around 8 pipe cleaners per flower. If you want to make the flower bigger, you might consider 2/3 or a whole pipe cleaner for the length. I'm making a very basic flower style here. However, I do mix different shades together to make it more colorful. I intentionally make this bouquet for a teenager, so it's pretty colorful. I use flower pistil for the middle part of each flower. If you don't have it, you can just use the same pipe cleaner to make one. Glue each petal onto the skewer, then wrap it off with floral tape to secure everything. For the past 3 years, you might have known me from my money flower tutorials. I start doing other handmade bouquets tutorial now to improve my own skills and also to help my audience to have more ideas for their next gift project. There's gonna be a brand new money flower tutorial coming up soon, so please stay tuned and continue to support my channel. And here we are. After many hours, I have finished 15 big flowers, 10 small flowers, a lot of leaves, and other small add-ons. You don't have to make this many flowers like me, as it will save you a lot of time. Let's move to how to attach the kitties onto skewers. There are many ways to do it. This is my way for this specific arrangement. This method helps to keep the kitties steady and blend in with flowers. These kitty keychains are special orders from my supplier and they cannot be resell. You can search for other kitty keychains that are available. The next steps are arranging and wrapping. I will play some music during these steps because they are not easy. It takes a lot of time. You might want to rewatch it as many times as you want with is the final bouquet. It came out super cute and the color is so vibrant. With help of the wrapping papers, the bouquet is double in size and definitely has more Hello Kitty vibe. Please let me know in the comment what you think about this bouquet. Also, can you suggest some idea for the next tutorial? This is it for my video today. If you like it, please click like and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Thank you very much for watching the whole tutorial. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.